Hi there, I'm Jules from Stonesoup.com, and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So I've got my mushrooms, about 600 grams, which is like almost a pound and a half, or 5 large of these kind of field flat mushrooms. So I'm just slicing them in half lengthwise and then into slices, and I'm leaving the stems in because stems actually contain the most beta-glucan, which is the thing that's really beneficial in mushrooms. It's good for your gut microbiome and also good for immunity. So I've had the mushrooms in the pan on a medium-high heat for about 5 minutes, and they've really softened and they're starting to brown in bits. So that's great. But I just wanted to show you that so you'll get liquid coming, like mushroom juice coming out of the mushrooms. That's totally normal. And what you want to do is just keep cooking, because that's going to evaporate and concentrate and make the most amazing tasting mushrooms. So yeah, keep going for another few minutes. Great. So mushrooms are pretty much all the juice is cooked out. Mushrooms are nice and tender and getting brown. Probably could do it for a few more minutes and really concentrate them, but that will do for today. It's up to you. The more you cook the mushrooms, though, the nicer they taste, that's for sure. So then we'll just put them in a clean bowl, and I'll get the pan back on a medium heat. Then I've got some sausages here, so 4 sausages, and I've just removed the skin. So I just sliced down the side, and I've used my fingers to remove the skins so that we can crumble the sausage meat in the pan. Then I'm just going to get my spatula and just break it up into kind of bite-sized chunks. And usually the sausages are fatty enough, so I don't bother putting extra oil in. But if you think your sausages might be a bit lean, definitely add a bit of oil to help them fry. So I'm just going to use a teaspoon of whole cumin seeds, but you could use coriander seeds or ground cumin if you like, just something to add a bit of depth of flavor, or you could just skip it really, but it does add a nice complexity in with the meat. I'll give that a bit of stir. Then I'm just going to leave them to start cooking for a few minutes on that side. Great, so when the sausages are looking nice and brown and cook through, if you're not sure, just cut into one and you can see, but that meat's definitely cooked through. So we're going to get our mushrooms and any juices back in the pan, and I'll turn the heat off at this stage, give it a stir, and then we're just going to finish with a couple of tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, or you could use red wine vinegar, sherry vinegar, whatever you've got. I like a little bit of sweetness in this with the balsamic. And then I've got 100 grams of feta that I've just diced into cubes. Just going to stir that, and then sprinkle in a small bunch of chopped fresh dill, and we're good to serve. Oh yeah, taste it and have a season. You might want to add some salt. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.